So today we're going to look at how well Kool-Aid dissolves in water, see if it takes much effort to dissolve and how it actually goes. Now it does recommend 2 quarts or nearly 2 liters of water. I've got about 1 here, 1 quart or nearly 1 liter of water, so that may make a small difference, but it shouldn't, but I guess we'll see. Now it does say to use a container that's not made of metal, so I've got a glass coffee percolator here. Now I understand that this part here has got some metal on it, but this is only for a demonstration to see how well it dissolves. So let's have a look, and then we'll use that to strain it, and I'll strain it into this glass jar and I'll see if it's dissolved really well. So we'll tip it through. So far it does seem to disperse and dissolve really well. I do have a glass straw here just to give it a stir. So a lot of it has seemed to dissolve, which is good. I think I see a few pieces floating on the top. What I'll do is I'll just give it a bit more of a mix, just to see how it turned out. Cool, so let's give it a strain to see how it looks. Pretty sure this is some more of the powder just not dissolved properly. Yes, there's a little bit more powder. Hasn't dissolved 100%. Once again, it could be because the less amount of water, because you'd usually have double the amount of water when you're dissolving this. Just rest that there for the moment. Doesn't matter if it falls in. Now I'll use the percolator part and we'll give it a strain just to see how much is left over, because there's only a small amount left over. It shouldn't be too bad. So we got this here. Spin this around so it comes out nice and easy. If there are any major chunks, that should get caught in the strainer. So that's all tipped through. Let's see what's left. So it's only got a very small amount left over. Once again, that could be because I'm using a bit less water. It's probably double less than what it should. But otherwise, that did dissolve quite well. And from the beginning, as you saw, it went in and it seemed to disperse really well. It was just these last little bits that didn't dissolve. Anyway, that's the quick Kool-Aid test. This wasn't with sugar, it was just merely testing how well Kool-Aid dissolves in water by itself. Sugar won't make it much difference to how it dissolves. If anything, the sugar might take a bit longer to dissolve itself, but otherwise, that's a test on the Kool-Aid, and thanks for watching.